Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you. I do Dollar Tree hauls and decor videos, some DIYs, and all sorts of different things. So if that interests you, then please consider subscribing. And if you like this video, then definitely give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it. It really helps me out. And but this is a really big haul, and it, if I haven't said it already, it's from Dollar Tree, and it is a lot of Christmas stuff, and also things that would make really great Christmas gifts. So I'm gonna get right into that. The first thing I'm gonna start with are these really big plastic containers that you could use for your own storage during Christmas time. But what I have them for is, I picked them up for cookies to give to family or neighbors. We do that with neighbors too. This one says, "Have yourself a merry little Christmas." And it has all the pretty white deer. And the lid, just a snap-on lid. It's a really good size. Has the snap-on lid here. I picked up this one, and then I picked up this one here, which is has the green lid, and it just says peace and joy and happy holidays the whole way around. So they're plastic, they snap on. These are a really, really good deal, I think. Then I picked up this mailbox, which I thought would be a great way to give a gift. The lid, or the front of it, folds down, and it says comfort and joy right there. And it's so cute. I love the little gingerbread man and the gingerbread house, and the front says stay cozy. Like, how cute is that? And the little flag does go up and down, but I thought this would be a really great way to give a gift card. You could stick some candy in there and stick a gift card inside. I just love that. So super cute. I found two signs that I like. They had the Dollar Tree I went to had a ton of signs in. Not all the ones I've seen people haul, but they did have a lot. The two I picked up were this one, which says "Let It Snow." I just love that snowman. He looks kind of retro to me, like some of the books from when I was a kid. So this one. Oh, and actually, and the top of this is actually metal. It's not like a painted, you know, sometimes they paint it to look like metal. This is actually some sort of metal. So that is really cute. And this one, which has the red truck, and it says "Home for the Holidays." And the snow is glittery. Does have some fallout, but it's not horrible. The design of that is just really cute. They had these really nice, good size nutcrackers. Now, they are plastic, but to me, for just like decor pieces, they're really cute. They had, I think, 4 different designs. I picked up these two. I wanted like the red and the green, but yeah, I think these are gonna sell fast. I picked up these LED string lights. I figure I'll definitely find a use for these in my Christmas decor. Then I found this ribbon, which I was trying to find a ribbon that didn't have too much sparkly, like glitter. Like, I like the sparkles, but I don't like it to be glittery to where it can come off. This to me looks like it's in the thread itself, like it's a sparkly thread. So I really like this one. I found this cute little towel. It says gingerbread cookies, and it has a whole little recipe on there. I thought that was adorable. And it's made out of like the microfiber cloth, so to me this would definitely be more decorative, but it is really, really cute. Then there was this end cap that was just filled with this buffalo check print stuff. So I picked up this. I actually picked up 2 of them. This cookies for Santa plate. Look how cute this is. It's nice, and it's like pretty thick. It's that melamine type stuff, I think. I mean, that's my guess, but it's a nice sturdy plate. And I just love that. It's very festive, so cute. In the buffalo check section, they had not only the plates, but they had some trays. But the trays seemed to be a little thinner. The one that I saw, it was a rectangular one, and there was one there that was actually cracked. They are really cute though. They had a big round one and then the rectangular ones. But also in the buffalo check, I found this, which is a collapsible storage container. I've never seen them do the storage containers in different patterns like this, but I thought this would be really cute. You could even give a gift in one of these. So yeah, and it's useful too. Next, I found these cute little trees. They're like mini trees, and they I thought would be useful in this, which I also found that I thought this would be really cute to make a little wintry scene with the 2 of these. I only picked up 1 of these, but this is the first time I've seen them at Dollar Tree. I mean, maybe they've had them before, but I've never seen these before. But the possibilities with this, like there's a lot of things you could do with this and with these little things. And I picked up this. I thought this would be fun for Evan. I was going to stick it in his stocking. It's kind of like a Rubik's Cube, but it's with pictures, Christmassy pictures. And then I picked up this. It's a plastic bin. I don't know if you call it like a bin or a tub, but it has the Merry Christmas on it. This would be a really nice thing to give a gift in if you were doing like a gift basket. Really, really cute. But it's also nice like as a decorative piece, you know, if you want to have it somewhere in your home or on your porch. Yeah, so this is really nice. I like this, and it's a really good size too. I found this sachet. It says cinnamon sticks, and at first I thought it was actual cinnamon sticks in here, but actually it's just 2 sachets that you could put in your bathroom or tuck it somewhere in your kitchen. But it smells so good. It's making this whole room smell like cinnamon. It's very, very potent smelling, and it's a good smell. So. And then over in the toy section, I found some really cute things. If you've watched my channel before, you know that I don't currently have any grandchildren, even though my kids are getting older. None of them are even married yet, but I collect things from different places if they're good deals for my future grandchildren. And so to add to my little collection, I found this little Barbie set, which it's a little Barbie spa set. It has a little foot tub here and different things like an eye mask. I thought that was really cute. And then also this one, which has a little puppy, and then the things to take care of a dog. So these are both really cute, getting added to my little future grandchildren collection, along with this, which is it's Fun Bites. This is really heavy, and it's something that you use to push down onto when you make a little sandwich. You can use it to press out shapes. It makes it more fun, I think, for the kids, more exciting for them to eat, just a regular sandwich. But when my kids were little, we used to do this thing called, I think we called them carpet picnics, and we would lay out a blanket at lunchtime, and I would put their little lunches on the floor, and we'd put on like PBS or something so they could watch Blue's Clues or something like that. But I'm trying to think what else they used to watch. There's Miss Spider's Sunny Patch Kids. I think that was one of them. I might have that name a little off. Yeah, there was a whole, that wasn't PBS though, that was something else. Anyway, one of the things they like, oh, Clifford too, they would watch Clifford, the Big Red Dog, but they would love it. I had this dog bone cookie cutter. So it was a little extra fun for them if I made their lunches in the shape, their little sandwiches cut out in the shape of dog bones. They loved that, and made it more interesting to eat. And this is similar to that because it cuts out in the shape of 2 little dog bones and then some other little things here. But I just thought this was really cute. And I found this book. It's a DIY holiday crafts. It's a thin, it's a thin book, but it's very colorful. Has lots of ideas for different crafts for, you might want to do. But I picked this up to be part of a giveaway. So I'm going to be doing a Christmas giveaway, but I want to do it early. I'm not officially announcing it yet because I haven't collected enough stuff, and I want to wait till a little bit closer to Thanksgiving, or maybe even right after. But it's going to be for a collection of items, Christmas related type items. So if you are interested in being a part of that, then make sure you subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you know when I announce that. But this will be in that giveaway. So it's DIY holiday crafts. Some of this other stuff will be in the giveaway as well. I found some little wooden signs. They had one that said home, and then I think one that said love, and then this one that says peace. Another future grandchildren thing, color forms. They had a few different kinds, but we love Toy Story here. I remember color forms from when I was a kid, so this is very nostalgic for me. So, and it's Toy Story, like we love Toy Story. So that is the end of this Dollar Tree haul, and I hope you enjoyed it. A lot of Christmas stuff out right now. When I was at my Dollar Tree this morning, there were boxes and boxes unopened, and I was trying to peek at the boxes, but most of it I couldn't really tell what was inside. But all through the store there are just stacks of unopened boxes, so I'm sure within the next week or so a lot of Dollar Tree shelves are going to be loaded with Christmas stuff. So now's the time. Just keep an eye out over the next couple of weeks. And I'm curious to see what new stuff they have this year too. So if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and give it a thumbs up, and then hit the notification bell so you know the next time I upload a video, and also so you know when I officially announce my Christmas giveaway. Thank you so much for watching and have a fabulous day. Bye.